Hi, I'm Rachel Wynn, and I'm so tired that today, you making fun of me? I'm so tired. Why does it have to take energy to do everything? I just want to make a video. I'm so sick and tired of being sick and tired. So sick and tired of being sick and tired. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. We're gonna wipe down all the grossness out of the bathtub really, really quick. So. Now don't forget to put your hair up because you don't want to have to dry your hair, which is way more energy than you're gonna have left after a detox bath. So grab it. Doesn't have to be pretty. Twist, twisty, twisty. And then these things are awesome. I got it at Sally's. Clamp it. And then shower cap. Because shower caps are cool. Taking a detox bath, need lots of water. A glass full of ice cubes, almost forgot. You're tickling me, stop it. Tickle, tickle. First thing is I put quite a lot, usually about a cup or 3 of Epsom salt in. So that's what I got in my big container. The next thing is magnesium flakes. These things are awesome. And I usually put about a cup of that in, maybe 2 if I'm feeling really bad. I found that these work really good for me. Baking soda, awesome for detoxing. A little bit of that goes in, maybe 2 tablespoons. Same thing for the pink Himalayan salt. And I put in Thieves, because that's my favorite scent. Some peppermint for soothing the muscles too. Who's that bird? Who's that bird? Really recommend you find these, I don't know what you call them, like a tearaway towel, but they're these towels that you can wear, and instead of having to like try and wrap it, it's Velcro and it's stretchy. All done with the detox bath. I usually sit in mine for about, I don't know, an hour, maybe half an hour to an hour, depending. I've worked my way up to having the bath very hot. I would not recommend that if you get dizzy easily. I tend to be cold all the time. If you're one of those people that gets like the flu kind of symptoms, like the fever, when you start to get a flare up, the hot bath will make it not last as long. I mean, if at all, because it kind of does it for you. If you're super, super, super tired and you're worried about drowning, don't raise the water in the tub too high. Don't have it too hot. You might want to tell a partner to, you know, check on you every so often if you have somebody. Don't forget to put your prayer requests in the comments, and please look over the comments, any prayer requests in there as well, and pray for those. I mean, even if you can't do anything else, think your prayer. God is listening. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Shalom.